number 20 knock-in biscuit. This biscuit is rather unique. It requires no glue. It has a number of small lugs on the edges that will stick into the substrate. All we're using is a standard biscuit cutter. We're going to make our standard biscuit cutting slots to the depth of a number 20 biscuit. We are now going to insert the biscuit into our standard hot slot, simply by putting it into place and then hitting it with a hammer into position. Now we're going to align the two pieces of substrate where we've used the biscuit. And of course, online we have a PDF on exactly how to install the Griplox number 20 knock-in biscuit. Also, as a little tip, if you do want for extra security to glue this product in, you will notice there is reservoirs. Above each one of the reservoirs there is a small line. This will allow the glue to push through and sit inside the reservoirs rather than on the surface of the biscuit. We recommend using the Striplox liquid locks.